Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. I got a package here. The name says Thorfire and more. Thorfire I know from flashlights I've reviewed. Let's see what we got here. Here is a multi-function car vacuum cleaner, and Felix got a box. Are you happy, Felix? Felix is so happy he got a box. Thank you for the box. If he could say thank you, he would. He's so happy. So, let me slide you over a little, Felix. You can relax a minute. There you go. Okay. There's a multi-function car vacuum cleaner. Not sure what the multifunction is, but we're going to find out in a minute here. Let's open it up. Oh, wet and dry vac it looks like. Perfect, because we were just discussing, it's amazing. I mean, the way things work out. We were just saying that we need a car vacuum. And not the next day, out of the blue, they contact us and say, hey, would you like to try out our car vacuum? I mean, how cool is that? There's a... Wow, look at the length of that cord. That's a lot of cord. Okay, I see the multifunction must be the fact that it can do... It's got attachments. It's got a tube, a crevice tool, a brush. Interesting how that works. Let's go in there. Yep, okay. We'd have to check the instructions a minute. It's a very nice, sleek looking vacuum. So this uses 120 watts DC power, 12 volts, which by the way, with this extremely long power cord, is going to be awesome for our off-grid tiny house. And I bet they never even considered that. It's got a 14.76 foot power cord, almost 15 feet power cord. This literally will reach anywhere in the tiny house. So we wouldn't use it for vacuuming the main floor, but for corners and cleanup, this is awesome. And we can run it on our directly on the 12 volt. Anytime you step up to 120 volts to whatever voltage and you're wasting energy, 12 volts directly saves energy. So let's see, it's got a reusable dust filter, typical standard pull out. Let's see if I can get that out. Little washable filter, I believe, and a storage container. Gonna have to check this out and see how well it works out. $120 watts of power. So, alright guys, well, I can't wait to try this out. I will be doing a full review and complete video and article on this after we've used it, and we'll let you know how good it is. It's definitely a comfortable feel to hold in the hands. I'm not sure how it holds. Oh, okay, I see. The dust gets caught inside. There's a lip in here, so when you're all done, I'm not sure. I can't wait to see how this works. It's got a big container. I guess when you're all done, you wouldn't want to tip it around too much. So we'll see how it goes. It's got a nice filter though. It's easy to wash and remove. Alright guys, well, check it out. For the stay tuned for the full review. We're going to take this right out and get cleaning on that car. One note, it does say to keep the car running when you plug it in, because it is 120 watts. So depending on how long you use it. But this is exciting. We're definitely going to find uses for this with the cleaning attachments in our house. That's great. Melanie's been wanting something she can cart around easily. Alright, well, thank you for sending that, and please do like, subscribe, and share, everybody. And stay tuned for updates.